Hey everyone, how are you doing? In this video, what we are simply going to be looking at is how you can add captions in your videos when it comes to Canva, because Canva has this feature where you can add, automated captions to your video. So let's see how that works in Canva. Let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to understand is that to use the captions feature, you need to use the video doc types. And when I say video doc types, Instagram Reel, landscape video dimension, or any doc type that uses video like Instagram story. Okay. So for this example, I will just click on video and we have the various video doc types in here. Okay, so I'll just choose mobile. No, let me just choose Instagram Reel for this example. So once that I have that click, it should open up beautifully for me. You can see everything is looking good. I have some videos I have uploaded. So you can upload videos into Canva. Okay. Oh my God. I think I didn't, how do you call it? I think I deleted the videos I had. So I would add any of these videos I have here. Okay. And you can see Canva is loading up everything. This video is just 2 seconds, but the aim of this video is to show you how you can add captions to your videos. So what you need to do now is to click on text. Okay. When you click on text, you should see the option captions. So just click on captions and Canva will just ask you, to select the videos you have in here that has speech. So you can see it's just one video. So we just click on that. Okay. So I just click generate captions and everything should load. So at this point, you can just get yourself a cup of coffee, or just in case you are on the free version of Canva and you would like to use Canva Pro, I have a link in the description box below that can help you upgrade to Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So you can try all the premium features out. Okay. So that's just by the way. Let's check Canva again. So we can see our captions have been added. It's just one line. It's just one line, in this video. So assuming we wanted to edit our captions, what can we do? It's very easy. Just click on your captions, okay? And in this case, since it's just one line, I'll just click on it, okay? And we'll come to captions. For example, if you have a lot of captions in your video, you'd see all of them listed in here, all right? The other thing you can do is to edit the animation or customize the animation of your caption. So once you click on animate, we have the captions animation in here where you can choose whether review or highlight, where you can choose the color. Okay, so with the highlights, the words that are mentioned gets to be highlighted in a certain color, which we can customize over here. And the snake, we get to underline the words as I'm mentioning them. So these are the various animation options we have at the moment for captions. Okay, so you can choose any of the ones you like. So once you choose what you want, you can always edit the intensity of it. Okay, so that's just by the way, and I hope you found it helpful. That's simply how you can add captions to your videos inside of Canva. I hope this video was helpful. I know this is one of the shortest videos you might have watched, and since it has to be straight to the point, it is straight to the point. If you're looking for more Canva videos, please make sure to subscribe and also like this video so that YouTube can show these videos to more people who are looking for this solution. The name is Benjamin, and always remember, there is no limit to creativity, and I should see you in my next video. Peace.